This is the Audi Q7, Audi's largest SUV, of course 7-passenger, Quattro. Most of their cars are Quattro, which is their legendary all-wheel drive system. I'm going to show you an interesting feature I absolutely love about the vehicle. Let's jump inside. I'll show you how it makes your life convenient, and definitely the convenience for your rear passengers. So with the 2017 Audi Q7, you have two buttons here, which is your rear child safety locks for your rear doors. On a normal automobile, you have one button. You press that one button, it locks both doors. But with the Audi Q7, if you have the child sitting on the left side, perhaps you have an adult sitting on the right side, you can press driver's side, left side only. Child is now locked into the vehicle until you decide to come to the rear door and let them out. If I were a child and I'm on the driver's side, left side of the vehicle, now I cannot hop in and out of the vehicle on my own. I have to rely on my parent to let me out. If I'm an adult sitting here behind the front seat passenger in the second row, I can hop in and out of the vehicle freely. And it's actually quite embarrassing when you're an adult and you're doing the same thing on your side of the vehicle. With most cars, you press one button, it locks both sides of the rear doors for child safety locking. Now, on the Audi here, you can only lock one side. So there again, that's just a quick feature that I love about the Audi Q7. Of course, adults getting in and out, kids getting in and out.